Now, this particular problem should not be an overly complicated problem, but I just want to give you some strategies in case you forgot how to do a cube root in your calculator. So this problem should be very straightforward, that when you're asked for g of 8, it just means to plug 8 in for the x value. And so this problem is asking us to take the cube root of 24 plus 1, which is the cube root of 25. So this should be very straightforward to put this in the calculator and just do cube root 25, which I'll go over in just a moment. But I just want to point out that we know what the cube root of 8 is, and we know what the cube root of 27 is, that the cube root of 8 is 2, and the cube root of 27 is 3. And so cube root 25 should be somewhere, if we're looking at this as kind of a number line, it should be somewhere a lot closer to cube root 27 than it is to cube root 8. So that means it should be somewhere really close to 3 as opposed to being closer to 2. So it looks like our correct answer should end up being B. Now we'll go ahead and look at doing this in the calculator as well, but even without a calculator, we should be able to get that far. So to do a cube root in our calculator, we can start off typing the 3. Then we hit the second and this exponent key, so you can see that's the xth root, and then type in our 25, and we can get that value. Now, if you forgot how to get to that button, remember that the cube root also means the 1/3 power. So another way you can type this is to say it's the 1/3 power. Now, if we get out of our fancy math print mode, so if you have a different calculator than this, and you want to do 25 to the 1/3 power, just remember that you need parentheses to say the 1/3 is all in the exponent. Otherwise, if you type in 25 to the 1/3, then your calculator is going to follow order of operations to a T. It's going to do parentheses, there are none, exponents. So the exponent that it would do is 25 to the first power, because that's the only exponent that it sees. Then it would do the division of dividing by 3. So it's really going to be the same thing as 25 divided by 3, which should be like 8.3 repeating. That's not the right answer. So that's why the parentheses are necessary, as they are in kind of the first line up there.